Sledgehammer to Miss Pelly because we appreciate how much time and effort she puts into all of her lessons and classes.
We also appreciate how she always tried to make class really fun, even though it was hard during COVID.
Thank you, Miss Pelly.
You're back. You're open. I'll step out of the way.
We wanted to give you the Sledgehammer because we appreciate how much time and effort you put into all your classes and lessons.
We also wanted to give it to you because you always tried really hard to make class fun, even though it was hard during COVID.
Guys, thank you so much. I did not know this was coming. Oh, shake hands, Louisa. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.